Hello everyone! Today's tutorial will show you how to use the AutoTapper Chrome extension to scrape product lists from e-commerce websites and export them to Excel. On the left side, I have opened a product listing page from an e-commerce website that sells books. First, click Add Step in AutoTapper to create a new step. Since we want to work with a list of items, we select the loop action here. Then click the List button inside the loop to select the product list we want to extract. Under Child Step, change the action type from Click to Extract Variable. Next, use the List button to extract the product title. Then add another step, and again use Extract Variable to select the product price. We select the price area here. Now our list extraction setup is complete. After the loop, add another step called Export Data. That's all we need. Now let's click Run. You can see the workflow has completed successfully. In the exported data, we now have both the product titles and prices. If we also want to export the image URLs, we can add another child step. Here, choose Extract Variable. Then change the extraction type from text to image URL. Use the List button to select the product cover image. Now let's run it again. Okay, you can see that this time the exported results also include the image URLs. We can also rename the variable names to make the exported columns easier to understand. And the exported file name can also be customized. Let's run it one more time. Now you can see the column titles are using our custom variable names. Next, we'll demonstrate how to scrape data across multiple pages using pagination. This time, we switch the loop mode to pagination mode. Then we need to use the Selector tool button to select the next page button. Let's choose the button. Here, we also need to enter how many items we want to extract. We can check how many products are shown on the website. Another option is to simply enter a larger number, for example 1,000 items. If the actual number of products is lower, AutoTapper will automatically ignore the extra amount. Here we'll enter 35 items and run it again. You can see that AutoTapper automatically performed the pagination, and we successfully extracted 35 rows of data. Another very useful feature is automation. For example, we may want AutoTapper to automatically collect data whenever the page opens or run on a daily schedule to create a CSV backup. To do this, click the Auto Trigger button. Here, we can configure automatic triggers for the current workflow. By default, it only runs once, but you can also choose to run it every hour or every day. You can even configure it to run automatically whenever a specific URL is opened. Enter the website URL and click Save. Now, whenever the URL matches completely, AutoTapper will run automatically. Let's test it. When we refresh the page, you can see that AutoTapper immediately starts running automatically, and it automatically exports the data. Okay, if we refresh the page again, it automatically runs once more. And that's the tutorial on how to use AutoTapper to scrape list data from web pages and export it to Excel. Thank you for watching.